Um, but now we're going to talk about the hottest topic that I think exists, data science and AI. So we have Novica Ninic here from IBM. IBM, what a
Great to meet you.
IBM leading in AI since possibly
Always, yeah.
possibly forever. Obviously created a chess computer who could beat chess champions back in 1997. So how are you going to beat that? I'll let you take it away with your keynote.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. It's a fantastic and great pleasure to be here in beautiful city of Oradea. I'm sure when you saw IBM at the agenda that you were expecting the guy in a black suit, white shirt with a tie, and everything, but you got relatively casual person in front of you standing in front of Ferrari behind my back. So who could imagine that? And by the way, we are very proud on our recent partnership with Ferrari, especially with the redesign of their fan app, which is a great example how digital can transform user experience and what Ferrari is looking to do with us. So it's a fantastic partnership. How do I change the slides? Do I have? Okay, fantastic. So IBM has been around a little bit more than you said, not from 70s, but even, 60, 70, 80 years before that. So for more than 100 years, we are existing on the market. And as I said, previously you could see different people. Now it's a different environment, and that's basically the key, what we did. We changed ourselves, and we changed industry together with us, and we are very proud about that. Here behind my back, you can see a little bit, couple of the things that we are very proud. 5 Nobel Prizes came out of IBM R&D labs, mostly in the area of the silicon technologies. Who could say that? Then you could see also we were designing the cockpit and the sensors of the sonda, lunar sonda that landed on the moon. So we helped tremendously to bring the man on the moon. PC came out of our labs. Can we imagine a day without PC? The barcode, many different things. And we are proud actually that we gave not only to our clients but also to the mankind, because these things are very useful to the mankind. And we didn't stop. So if I can have a next slide. We didn't stop because today I think we are in a fantastic, exciting momentum of time where AI technology is promising to change, I will dare to say, bold statement, almost everything that we do. I don't know, in a year, half a year, 5 years, we will see how the dynamics will be, but we think it's irreversible process. I will not talk about how big potential of transformative potential of the next generation of AI is, because you hear about that every day. Behind my back, you can see actually what we are doing with our clients globally. And that's also a very important message. It's a new IBM coming on Ferrari, and we are doing exciting things with our clients for the next generation of AI. So AI is not coming, it's here. I believe that on this event we have a mix between banks and the fintechs. And fintechs, guys, you are changing also everything around us, at least in this, let's say, financial sector. So you usually don't wait for anybody. And that's my message also. IBM is here basically to help you not to reinvent the wheel, let me say that way, or not to spend too much time by inventing something which is already maybe cooked in a very big R&D engine which is behind and serving, things that you can start using immediately. And this is applicable for both fintechs and banking clients as well. If I could have a next slide and a next one. I'll tell you actually immediately, so except Ferrari, there is a couple of more things that I would love you to take with you, let's say, after this presentation, and I'll tell you actually what we do today. IBM is a not new player in data AI area and in AI specifically, and thanks for the great intro once more. Our portfolio has been around, and our business has been, almost always managing clients' data and helping clients actually to drive the value out of data. This is what we do. Today, we are on a clear mission to bring next generation of AI to work for enterprise. So if you go to IBM.com, you will not see any prompt probably for some chat like ChatGPT that you will start using immediately as a consumer. Tell me why Audi is better than IBM. than BMW. We can answer that as well, but we are focusing basically for bringing specific and very mission-critical use cases for enterprise into life. This is our mission. So it's okay if you have Gen AI that will generate some nice PowerPoint or even some nice report, but how do you infuse Gen AI into loan origination? How you automate KYC? Why should you automate? Because you're going to be faster, you're going to be more automate, you're going to be fully automate. Maybe you will really shut down the branches. This is actually what we do. So the important thing, next slide please. The important thing is that we are basically targeting with our products what is the biggest challenge for enterprise to bring AI really to life. So first of all, there are a couple of things which we trust really, which we see that are happening on the market, and this is how we design our products, and they are behind my back. So for AI to be really implemented in the mission-critical environments, we strongly believe it has to be open. It cannot be under control of one vendor in one cloud sitting and doing something that you have no idea what's behind that. We really trust into that. Secondly, you have big models, small models, many models around. Not every model is good for every use case. Even within your own enterprise or your own organization, your own product, you're going to use different models. So you need to have flexibility and freedom of choice. That's also extremely important. And then how to control everything. So what we see these days around enterprises, around banking is really on the forefront, I would say, of this revolution is, let's start this, let's start that. But, it's okay if you have 2, 3 things running around, but what if you have 20, 50, 100? So you need to think about the control. And basically, these are the important things that we addressed with something that I would love if you could understand and take away with you, and that's named Watsonix. That's the name of IBM Next Generation AI Platform. So it's a product. It's actually 3 or 5 major products. So it has clear functionalities, clear roadmap, and clear life cycle. But in a nutshell, it's a platform which is basically helping you to speed up going safely to production. And this is exactly what Watsonix is designed for. Next slide, please. This is how our overall architecture is looking like, and I will not spend too much time. I'll just move to another slide because I will show you these 3 or 5 products. So basically, Watsonix.ai, Watsonix.data, Watsonix.governance. 3 things. Watsonix.ai is an enterprise-level studio designed to be central point where you can run multiple models of your choice and interact with them. Prompt them, fine-tune them, potentially tomorrow train them. Have them under full visibility, under full control, provide APIs that you can access them, that you can infuse the output of those models, and I would say unique platform that can run on the same place, both machine learning and neural networks based foundational models. It's very unique on the market that can run in the public cloud, but also on-prem. For regulated industry, this is really, really important. We can ship it also as an appliance together with GPUs, all of these things. You put it behind nice blue logo in your data center, and you can run really fantastic workload on-prem. We are supporting, as I said, we really truly believe in the openness, so we are supporting major open models. We do have our own model. It's called Granite. It's very focused, to what does it do, but we are supporting Llama, Mistral. We have integration with Hugging Face, so you can go actually and download a lot of this 70, 80,000 of different models of different architectures. You can run them here. You can bring your own model, foundational, if you decide to design it, and really, as I said, run it either on-prem, either on cloud. And it's a fantastic differentiation for our platform. The next, Watsonix.data, is the next generation of the data lake house, and it's basically helping a lot to redefine and to speed up also the data science, data preparation part, which is basically absolutely critical for the first step, which is the models. Whatever you will be doing, either this is RAG, either this is any other use case, the summarization, entity extraction, anything that you want to do with huge amount of data, you will store data on the next generation of the data lake house, which will basically help you to store data, but as I said, pre-process and dramatically improve also that data science part. The final component, which is now disappeared, but I will just tell it, is watsonx.governance, and it's an AI governance tool designed to put under control your models. As I said, if it's 20, 50 of things running around, infusing some good automation into KYC, for example, you need to know at any point of time what does it do and if it's doing things properly. So basically, it's a tool where you define governance policy, where you have monitoring and full visibility, and where you can detect tricky things that you want to prevent, like bias, hate speech, hallucinations, and these things. It's universal. It's not only connecting to watsonx, but it can connect also to Amazon and Azure and actually be enterprise level platform. It's providing compliance to AI Act defined by European Union. So if you're looking for such solution for compliance, it's very good. Finally, on top of that, now we are in the agentic AI era. And that's a topic for itself probably to talk within 1 hour. Watson Orchestrate is a tool that is designed basically to orchestrate agents. And this is extremely important because on the enterprise level, when you will be building agents, you need to control them, orchestrate them. And this is where all the automation that we have been doing for many years in IT will go for the next level. It's really, I would say, amazing, borderless opportunities that we are seeing around. So that's it. New IBM, changed IBM, Ferrari, watsonx, couple of things. If you are interested to hear more, I'll be around and we'll be happy to talk about that. Thank you.